The house that splits, a creation of Voluar Arquitectura, is a remarkable structure inspired by the philosophical concept of time as a branching network, as explored by Jorge Luis Borges in The Garden of Forking Paths. This house embodies the idea that time is not a linear progression but a complex web of possibilities, similar to the intertwining paths of a garden. Unlike traditional houses that present a fixed perspective, the house that splits invites exploration and discovery. As one moves through the space, planes and gaps open up, revealing new perspectives and inviting a continuous unfolding of time. The house's materiality, steel, speaks of perpetual change, rusting over time like living matter, while the glass blurs the boundaries between interior and exterior, incorporating the garden into domestic space. Inspired by nature, the house branches out following lines that adapt to the surrounding landscape, creating a found form rather than a preconceived one. This approach allows the house to respond to the specific needs of its inhabitants, providing a flexible and adaptable space that can accommodate various activities and changing family dynamics. The house that splits is a testament to the power of architecture to challenge our perception of time and space. By creating a space that invites exploration and discovery, it invites us to consider the interconnectedness of these two fundamental concepts and to appreciate the beauty and complexity of the human experience.